Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check insurance of a vehicle online in the USA. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you own the vehicle, you can check the vehicle insurance status using the following methods. So method one is through your insurance provider's website or app. So most insurance companies, for example, Geico, State Farm, Progressive, offer online accounts or mobile apps where you can view a current insurance policy, download proof of insurance, and check renewal dates and coverage details. State DMV, Department of Motor Vehicles website. So many states allow you to verify your vehicle's insurance online using their DMV portal. You usually need vehicle registration number and possibly your driver's license number or VIN number. And now here are some example portals you can go ahead and check out. Now, if you're not the owner, so due to privacy laws like the DPPA, you usually cannot check someone else's insurance information without a valid reason. So this could be an accident or a legal claim if you are in an accident. So contact the police if there was an accident. The police report often contains the insurance details of all party involved. Option B, contact your insurance company, so they can help you obtain the other driver's insurance information, especially if you're filing a claim. C, use a paid VIN lookup tool, but this is limited use. Websites like Carfax or AutoCheck can give vehicle history reports, including past insurance claims, but not current insurance status.